Robomaid RM770 Robot Vacuum Cleaner features a microfiber mopping attachment, helical brush, built-in UV lamp, a side brush to help clean corners and edges, and built-in stair and ledge detectors. The main spinning brush lifts larger pieces of dirt, dust, hair and debris and flicks up tiny dust particles with the help of the rubber squeegee. The flexible bristles on the main brush get right into gaps and grout lines and are perfect for uneven floors. The vacuum suction unit located in the dustbin pulls in smaller dust particles through a triple filtration system as the microfiber mopping cloth wipes hard floors clean as it vacuums.